everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Baker Abel, and today we are celebrating the 1-year anniversary of Baker Abel with making some almond cookies. I would also like to say thank you for all of you who have subscribed to the channel, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. Let's dive into it. For your first step, you're going to put in 1 cup of butter and a cup of sugar and cream it all together. After you're done creaming together your butter and sugar, you can put in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and then you're going to want to beat it all together. You're now going to want to set this mixture aside and get a new bowl and put in 3 cups of flour. You're now going to want to put in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. You're now going to want to stir it all together and then gradually put it into your butter mixture. You can also use your hands to knead the dough together. Make sure they're clean. You're now going to want to roll your dough into 1-inch balls and set them on your cookie sheet. After you've done that, you're going to want to flatten your cookies with a fork. And then sprinkle a couple of almond slices on the top. Now is the perfect time for you to preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit. You now will going to combine in a separate bowl 1 egg white and half a teaspoon of water. And then stir it all together. And then brush on your almond cookies. After you're done brushing your cookies, you can then put them in the oven for 14 to 16 minutes. And now for the taste test. This recipe is so good. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.